Founded in 2015, Foshan HuiChengSheng Furnace Industry Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise. Covering a 20,000 square meter factory, it has grown into one of the most influential industrial furnace manufacturers in South China. As a full-service enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, sales, and after-sales support, we own complete production workshops, professional R&D centers, multiple product divisions, and global service systems. To date, the company has served over 2,000 clients across 80-plus countries with a stable annual growth rate of 40%. Our nearly 200 staff team includes professional foreign trade technical and production teams. We maintain long-term, in-depth cooperation with well-known overseas enterprises and consistently gain customer recognition. We specialize in a wide range of industrial furnaces, including continuous bright annealing furnaces, continuous bright brazing furnaces, powder metallurgy, sintering furnaces, mesh belt heat treatment furnaces, and multifunctional vacuum furnaces. Our workshop supports one-stop independent production and equipment development. Equipped with independent heat treatment and brazing R&D centers, we continuously upgrade furnace technology and design, providing reliable OEM processing services for numerous enterprises. With standardized staff training and professional customer technical support, we deliver trustworthy products and all-round services, striving for long-term win-win cooperation with global partners.
HuiChengSheng specializes in producing intelligent industrial furnace. Our mission is to create the value for our customers, empowering our employees to grow. Technological innovation to driven industrial innovation development. Destined, it is connect us in a wonderful way. Meeting us at HuiChengSheng, achieve the win-win cooperation. Thank you very much.